Oxo acids of P block elements from the inorganic chemistry is very important topic. There are many videos available in the YouTube how to draw the structures, tricks available for that one. But how to remember the formulas with the names, it is not much explored in the YouTube. So that is the reason I came up with the tricks to remember how to remember that formulas along with that name. So without waste the time, let's get started. Oxo acids of phosphorus. In this video, we will see how to remember the oxo acids of phosphorus, and next video I will come up with the sulfur oxo acids. For that also I will come up with some tricks. So oxo acids of phosphorus, to draw this one, you should know sequence. You have to remember the letters. So what are that one? H, O, O, P, H, P. So this you have to remember, H, O, O, P, H, P. So there are only three letters are there, H, O, P. H stands for hypo, H stands for O stands for ortho, P stands for pyro. If you can remember these 6 letters in a sequence, so you can draw the formulas, you can frame the formulas, and you can remember the names easily. Now what you have to do here, hydrogens we will take here. In the first, number of hydrogens we will see. So in second, phosphorus, and third one, oxygen. Number of hydrogens, how many has to there? First 3, 3, 3. First 3 are 3, and next 4, 4, 4. So this sequence you have to remember. For phosphorus, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. And oxygen, so to continuation of this one, 2, from starting 2 you do. You write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can make this type of table and you can. Now what you have to remember here, one important thing here, these first two, the name will come for this one in the nomenclature OUS, but it will come here. Here I will write between this, by that will be OUS will come in the nomenclature. And this last two, IC will come. IC will come. First two OUS and last two IC in the name it will come. And this one for fourth it is IC, for fifth. So this row I am talking about to complete this row. This comes OUS. So this is how first 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oxygen, phosphorus 1, 1, 1. First 3 are 1 and last 3 are 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3. First hydrogen, first 3 are 3 and last 3 are 4, 4, 4. And hoop HP, HOOP, HP. If you can remember these things, you can write the formulas. Now we will write the formulas for the compounds. Let's see how we can write the formulas. And names, nomenclature we will see here. First what we will do, we will write the nomenclatures and we will write the formulas. So hypo, H stands for hypo, and in that name OUS comes along with phosphorus. Since we are talking about the phosphorus oxy acids, that will come, for example, hypo phosphorus acid, this one, hypo phosphorus acid, first one. And second one, ortho phosphorus acid. Third one, IC, ortho, O, since it is starting from O only, ortho phosphoric acid. Next P, pyro OUS is coming here. So pyro phosphorus acid. Next H. H means what? Hypo and ic. So these last two are ic. This one how you can write? Hypo phosphoric acid, and this one P. P stands for pyrophosphoric acid. Okay, this is how you can write the nomenclature you have given. Then what you have to do? Formulas. So number of hydrogens are 3, phosphorus 1, oxygen 2. So now you write the formulas of this one. For first this one, H3PO2. This one, second one, H3PO3, which is orthophosphorus acid. Third one, H3PO4, which is orthophosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. Next, pyrophosphorus acid. What is the structure of this one? H4P2. Here students majorly gets confused. Pyrophosphorus acids. Then hypophosphoric acid. What is the structure? Formula H4P2O6. Then last one, pyrophosphoric acid, H4. So you can take the screenshot of this one. So before the examination, just you can revise this one. So you can write exam easily. Next we will see the how we can draw the structure. So if you know already this, you can skip. If you are interested still, that we will see the how to draw the structures of this one. Hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2. How we can draw the structure? First, whenever it is there, this type of phosphorus oxy acids, first you take the phosphorus. Always one double bond O should be there. One double bond O should be there, that you write double bond O, and one OH bond is also compulsory. Okay. These are compulsory. One double bond O, one OH. Next, what is there? H3PO2. Number of hydrogens are left now, 2 hydrogens. So that hydrogens you can just directly attach it to the phosphorus. So this is what the structure of hypophosphorus acid. Next one is orthophosphorus acid. So what is orthophosphorus acid? H3PO3. Now here one oxygen is extra. So to the one H you can add that OH. So this is one of the important acid. Many times in the examination it is asked. So here I will add OH and H. What I have done here, so along with this hydrogen, one oxygen I have introduced here. So that is orthophosphoric acid, orthophosphorus acid. For orthophosphoric acid, so another oxygen is coming here. So another 2. So whatever the left hydrogen is there in orthophosphorus acid, along with that I will attach the oxygen. So P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. Now this is H3P1,2,3,4 orthophosphoric acid. So these two are very, very important acids. Now we will see next one, which is pyrophosphorus acid. So what is this pyrophosphorus acid? This is coming from phosphorus acid only. You can see, you know the structure of phosphorus acid, right? Now what is the phosphorus acid? H3PO3. This is the structure of phosphorus acid, H3PO3. So if 2 molecules of this one is combined, so into 2 you do, okay, 2. So what is this now? H6P2O6, right? H6P2O6. So from this one you remove one water molecule. From this one, 2 hydrogens you remove and one oxygen. So what will become now? H4P2O5. This is only the pyrophosphorus acid. So how you can draw this one? So whenever the odd number of phosphorus are there, whenever the odd number of oxygens are there, what you can do? 2 phosphorus you make the bond with the oxygen. You connect the phosphorus with the oxygen. Now, as just now we have discussed, how we have discussed, P double bond O should be there, one OH should be there, one P double bond O should be there, one OH should be there. Now, how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens, right? 1, 2 only. So, that should be symmetrical. One hydrogen, hydrogen. This is how it, this is the structure of pyrophosphorus acid. Or you can just combine the 2 phosphorus acids. You know the structures of phosphorus acids anyhow. What are that phosphorus acid structures? P double bond O, OH, OH, H. So, another one you write, H3PO3 phosphorus acid, another OH you draw, and H and OH. From this one water molecule need to be removed. So, which one? This one. So, if you remove this H2O and this bond, you can directly add. Which one? You can remove this one, water molecule I am removing, then this bond you can extend from here directly. Okay, that's how it is pyrophosphorus acid. So, the same way you can do for the pyrophosphoric acid also. This hypophosphonic acid we will see last. So, what you have to do, just double of this one oxygen is extra coming here, H4P2O5 here 2 oxygens are coming. So, where the 2 oxygens can be added? Here only. Okay, along with these 2 hydrogens you can add here OH. That also we will now. The same way you can add the 2 molecules of phosphoric acid, and what you can do, you can remove the water molecule just now as I have shown with the pyrophosphorus acid. So, same way it is also odd number of oxygens are coming, right? So, what you can do, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus you connect, then one double bond O, OH, instead of H in the phosphorus acid here extra OH will come, and double bond O, OH and OH. Now it is H4P2O7. 3 oxygens are here, 3 oxygens are here, 1 oxygen. This is how pyrophosphoric acid can be drawn. Next, hypophosphoric acid. So, how this can be drawn? This is here even number is coming, oxygens are even number is coming. So, whenever you give the hydrogens and oxygen, make sure that symmetrically you give, but here one oxygen is coming, that is how you have jointed between, you have bridged between the 2 phosphorus. So, what you can do here, you take the phosphorus, you add the phosphorus together. Now, what you can do, oxygens add double bond O, double bond O. Now, 4 hydrogens and still 2 are there, 4 need to come, OH, 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 that's it. Simple. If you remember like this, you can draw the any type of structures, and important thing is how to remember the name. As I have shown, this one you can take it as a screenshot that you can revise it easily. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.